In Lorain, Ohio, a police officer named John Kovach Jr. got fired after an internal investigation found he abused his power. What happened was pretty upsetting. Kovach pulled over his daughter's boyfriend, Mackay Coleman, who is 18 and black, without any real reason. The dash cam caught the whole thing, and you can hear Kovach making some pretty biased and threatening comments toward Mackay.
You can get out.
For what?
You're going to jail.
For what?
Get out.
For what?
Have a seat in my car. We'll make shit up as we go. Any guns, knives, weed on you? What's that?
Obviously.
Go ahead and get smart before I can do something to you, even more.
I
think I'm playing with you. Have a seat.
It was clear Kovach didn't like Mackay personally. At one point, he even said they would make stuff up as we go, and dared Mackay to get smart, as if trying to provoke him.
Not here, so she did show me. She has a 1015 permit.
Your dad know my daughter's in your house?
My dad?
Yeah. Or is your ma there?
We'll double check and make sure she has that 1015. In regards to that CCW permit, we're gonna need a birth date for her.
Things escalated when Kovach used police resources to find his daughter, Caitlin, tracking her down and asking around about her location. He ignored emergency calls and eventually pulled her out of the car roughly, putting her in the back of his police cruiser.
Go ahead with your mom. I'm letting her go with you. She's in the car. I didn't even see you. Get out of the car. Get in my car.
What?
Go ahead. You guys are good. Ma'am, they could go with you.
Yes.
Get in my car. Goodbye.
What?
Goodbye.
What?
Goodbye. Get in my car.
You can't. You can't take me. I'm 18.
Goodbye.
You can't take her in. She's an adult.
Goodbye.
Hey, well, you can get back in the car. You're in the
No, you're not. Get in my car.
Why are you taking me?
Get in my car.
Why are you taking me? You have to give me a reason. By law, why are you pushing me? Why are you fucking pushing me? Why are you doing this? Turn on your camera, Mackay. Turn it on.
Get in my car.
You can't arrest me for no reason. You can't. You can't.
Caitlin! Knock it off!
You don't want me! I know! Why you can't do this! You can't do this!
Mackay also said that Kovach had threatened him over the phone the week before, promising to hit him with warrants.
You can't do this! You can't! You can't take me for no reason!
Yeah, she did nothing.
I'm an
Why are you putting her in the car?
Get in the car.
Why are you putting her in the car?
She was suicidal yesterday.
She was
I was not!
She wasn't even with
You weren't even with me yesterday!
Just like, well,
yesterday.
Friday. Get in the car.
Friday, I was not!
Get in the car.
Yeah, I have video proof she's with me all day yesterday.
Get in the car.
We're not harboring a fugitive. She's an adult. She has no reason to do this anymore. She's drunk.
Get in the car.
You can do whatever.
I'm not! I was going home to her mother, so you're ruining it!
Caitlin, just sit down.
I can't! You gotta come down!
I hope you know we're already taking you to court.
That's fine.
You're going to court already. I know you're about to lose your job. I heard you're suicidal already.
She's going to the hospital.
She's going for what?
Don't get me!
For what? Tell me why she's going to the hospital. Because you think, because what?
She's going to the hospital because she said she was going to kill herself Friday.
No, I didn't!
Wait a
I
minute.
did
You got a
not!
text message, anything?
I did not!
Yes.
What?
You have anything?
I did not!
The Lorain Police Department said Kovach's behavior was unacceptable and fired him right away. Dan Given, the safety service director, said it was the right call because what Kovach did was serious misconduct. In the end, Catlin did end up arrested and put in the police car, but that arrest was fully justified, unlike her dad's abuse of power. Cop arrests daughter for DUI. On the night of December 28, 2022, Howell Township Police responded to a hit-and-run accident near Loas on Lanes Mill Road around 11 p.m. When officers Travis Horton and Eric Lee arrived, they found a damaged traffic light pole blocking one lane and a piece of a car bumper on the ground. A witness reported seeing a white sedan involved.
21.
You're 21?
Yeah.
665, we're just going to play this out for now.
My dad is,
We're going to do it while so we get it
Sean
with
Lee.
the
Who was that?
John Lee.
Sean Lee? Okay. Listen, your bumper's in the road over there. Okay, did you just hit that pole?
No, I promise you I did not.
No? So if someone brings that bumper over here, it's not going to match up perfectly. You're coming from Applebee's, you're telling me. You went out that way. Everything's matching up. Witnesses said they saw a white car cross over in this direction, and I happen to find your car parked here
The bumper was
with
hanging
no
off.
bumper.
The bumper was hanging off.
Okay. All right. So, Teresa,
Yes.
let me ask you again.
Yeah.
You left Applebee's.
Yeah, I left Applebee's.
You cut through the plaza. You came out by Lowe's and Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Did you hit the traffic pole that's right
No,
there?
I did not hit the traffic pole.
Do you not remember hitting a traffic
I did not hit the traffic pole, I promise you.
pole? So your bumper's in the middle of the road over there, and there's a pole down.
This part was hanging off already because I already hit something.
Okay.
When I hit a deer in Pennsylvania because I go to school in Kentucky, and this part was hanging off already.
Okay. Do you smoke marijuana recreationally?
No, I do not smoke marijuana.
What-
I do not smoke marijuana universally.
Do you do any recreational
No.
drugs? But Teresa, I explained to you this before. Lying isn't going to
I'm
get you
not
anywhere.
lying.
We just need to know the
I'm
truth.
not
You just lied.
lying.
You just lied. We just caught you in a lie. And you told me found this piece over by the traffic light by Lowe's. You said that piece fell off in Pennsylvania.
I
You told me you hit a deer.
Patrolman Vincent Campagnola tracked down the car at a nearby Wawa gas station on Kent Road. The driver was 21-year-old Teresa Lee. At first, Teresa denied hitting anything but admitted she had been drinking after leaving Applebee's. She wanted to call her dad, John Lee, who is a sheriff's officer in Monmouth County. When officers showed her the missing bumper piece, she reluctantly admitted she might have hit the traffic light pole while texting.
Traffic light by Lowe's. You said that piece fell off in Pennsylvania.
I
You told me you hit a deer. You told me a whole bunch of
I hit
stories.
a deer in Pennsylvania. You can ask my dad. Please ask my dad.
You just hit a traffic light. And that's where this piece was.
That's probably where that piece was. Yes, I probably hit that.
You did hit that.
I hit it Pennsylvania deer.
You see this?
I hit a deer before this. You can ask my dad.
This piece fell off at the traffic light that you hit, that you knocked over. Lying doesn't help anything. Where were you coming from?
I'm not lying. I came from Applebee's. I had one drink. I promise.
Okay, after Applebee's, where'd you go?
I came from there, the traffic light, that's right there, and then I came around and there, because my house, I would have to go through my traffic light, so there.
Okay, that doesn't really make too much sense either, considering that the traffic light that you took out was on the corner
Which corner?
of the back entrance of Lowe's. So that doesn't make too much sense, considering where the damage was and where the pole that you took out was. So, here, ready? Lanesville Road.
Yes.
Lowe's is on the right. You hit the traffic light on the right-hand side of Lowe's with the passenger side of your vehicle.
Teresa's story was inconsistent, and the officers suspected she was drunk. Her dad arrived at the scene, confirmed she'd had a previous accident with a deer, but agreed that the damage now didn't match that story. He was calm and cooperated with the police, even though it was his daughter.
Alright, I don't think that you were okay to safely operate the motor vehicle. Alright, I think that maybe it was a break or something else going on, so you're good to know what to do next. base, 1 female, 41, 17 for Jonesville.
Dad. Dad.
Hold on, we'll let you talk. Do you have anything to tell your pocket?
No.
If you need anything from inside the car, cell phone?
No, my cell phone is in there. My car keys, I did the test right. I don't understand.
So the word indicator said you're not okay to safely operate in motor vehicle.
Ask me what.
Okay, you took too many steps to start. You missed steps, heel to toe. Going through the one-leg stand, raise your arms up and bounce. There's a lot of indicators there that you're impaired. So we're going to walk through the middle part here.
I'm a soccer team captain. Where's my dad?
Oh, your dad's right over here.
Officer Horton noticed Teresa had trouble with sobriety tests. Her eyes showed signs of impairment, she couldn't walk or turn properly, and she struggled to balance on one leg. They arrested her for DUI. At the police station, Teresa blew a breathalyzer reading of 0.172%, more than twice the legal limit. She was also charged with reckless driving, failure to report an accident, and leaving the scene. After processing, she was sent to the hospital for further checks.
Okay, so what's the... What's up? So, what she's saying, like, and where the damage was and everything, just doesn't really make too much sense, so tried to get some more information out of her, but... Figures out another soul out here tonight.
What's that?
You know, somebody. Inzarella? No?
Yeah, not tonight.
It's not here tonight. So this is at Greenville? Yeah, so you know where back entrance for Lowe's is? Yes. Where like LA Fitness is in that intersection? Yes. So look at the telephone pole by the Lowe's sign. So it came down. And then that piece of buffer there was there. But which described with the other damage, the other black piece, obviously. Yeah, no, it was more than that. I mean, that's more than it was. Okay. Yeah. So for the other one, was it just like the bumper wasn't hanging like that? Yeah, no. So what it was is basically this was intact. Okay. This piece was missing, but these scratches here, that's all from a gear that she tried to avoid. Okay.
At the police station, Teresa blew a breathalyzer reading of 0.172%, more than twice the legal limit. She was also charged with reckless driving, failure to report an accident, and leaving the scene. After processing, she was sent to the hospital for further checks. Her dad handled the situation well and didn't get upset at the officers for arresting his daughter. But that's a sharp contrast to the next father, who tried to stop his son's arrest by attacking police officers with an excavator. In Hardwick, Vermont, things took a wild turn on June 14th. Police were there to arrest 24-year-old Brandon Tallman for burglary and assault charges. But his dad, 52-year-old Wayne Tallman, wasn't about to let that happen quietly. Wayne did something crazy. He jumped into an excavator and tried to stop the state troopers from arresting his son. The dash cam caught it all. Wayne driving heavy machinery right at the officers in a bold and dangerous move. To make things even more chaotic, Wayne's wife, Amy Tallman, 48, also tried to block the police from taking Brandon away.
all available units, I've got 343 and 254 and a 1010 at 178.
Despite all their efforts, the police managed to arrest all three of them. Wayne now faces serious charges himself and is being held without bail. If he's convicted, he could spend up to 11 years in prison. Brandon, the original suspect, is facing even tougher consequences, with potential jail time of over 41 years. Right now, he's released to his mother's custody while his case moves forward. Amy Tallman will have to answer to the court for trying to interfere with the police, with her hearing set for August 20th. This whole event shows just how far some people will go to protect family, even if it means standing up against the law in dangerous ways.